Hey, what's up, y'all? Happy Monday to you. Back at another trading week. Y'all know what it is. Another Monday, another week. Hope y'all enjoy y'all weekend. If y'all spent time with your families, went out and do whatever you do. All I did this weekend was Uber. Y'all know how I like to hustle and grind on the weekend doing my Ubering. Get me some money put up to invest. But that's all it was for me this weekend overall. Everything was nice. Busy weekend in Savannah. Now it's back to the trade, man. Subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, watch my recent videos, share my channel also. Alright, swing trades. Ones I'm looking at now going into, which y'all already know I've been buying for the long haul. This trade you probably gonna have to hold for a couple years. Might be 3 to 5 years, but I think it's gonna pay off in the future. Ticker CHPT, Charge Point. It got down to like 129 today. I'm buying like 3 shares a day, $5 a day. I'm accumulating, and I'm gonna hold it till later. I think it's gonna pay off in the long run. All the EVs are getting beat up now. I think when the interest rate cuts when it happens, they'll be able to get a loan and be able to build and grow the business again. That's dealing not just with the EV sector, but also REITs and banks and everything else. Interest rates gonna go back down. A lot of customers and start to come in and get more loans and stuff at a lower interest rate. And the housing market itself, mortgage loans and houses being brought, everything start to pick up and get somewhat back to normal. I don't think you're gonna ever see another normal. Or a normal of 2022 again, but we gonna see. All right, man. So let's get to it. Portfolio at $42,112.45. I'm down $381.09. The tech sector is getting beat up now. Tech sector. All right, 2 covered call ETFs I'm going in. RYLD and QYLD. I need to lower my costs in those. The REITs I'm going at is AGNC, ORC, and ARR. I'm attacking those. And some closed-end funds I'm going in is ticker CRF and CLM. All those stocks I just named pay monthly dividends out. I'm also going after the Yield Max ETFs, dollar cost averaging in. I'm not loading up on anything. I load up on the REIT before I load up on the Yield Max, the ETFs, because they getting beat down bad. All right. But if you watch my videos, you'll see what I'm doing, and I tell you why I am doing it. So it's up to you whether you watch the whole video and get all the juice out of it. So let's go. All right. Got a rising. And where we at right here? 11.45. Get $5 of that. And why am I doing it? Pays a monthly dividend. Not a limit price. Let me go. My thing set on limit. Let me go to buying dollars. $5 worth. Where else we going? And also, while I'm doing this, y'all can do the same. I'm making a note of all the stocks and monthly payers that I'm about to go in. I'm going to buy 5 shares a week, whole shares, HRZN at a weekly low that I like. I will post the prices. I'm going to go in that. In the next video, I put HRZN, RYLD, QYLD, ORC, AGNC, ARR, and I like EFC. I need to come down in that one. But these are some good entry-level prices for y'all beginner investors, though. All right, Realty O. That's 52 and none. I know that was kicking up, was fighting back some. So we'll see what they're gonna do. That might pull on back. Nope. Let me get some of that now, just in case it go up. Now I ain't gonna say wait. I'm gonna buy a full share of that one too. Add that to the list. Oh, buy one full share a week. All right, IPP International Paper. I need to come down in this one. $10 of that there today. Cause it's hard to catch this down. What else we going at? Lakeland Platt, I know I need. But I'm going to see where it's at. 3M, I can get 3M at this price here. $10 worth of 3M. They say 3M might actually tank some because they're in risk of reducing the dividend. I think they had a run of being a dividend king or aristocrat, whichever one. It's the 50 years plus. It was that for the last 68 years or something. And yeah. Good also pays out monthly. What else we going at? QILD already on the list. I already got some buy orders in for that anyway. Verizon look like it's coming down. Seems like some people losing hope in Verizon, but I'm gonna let that pull on back. Once you get under in my range, I need to buy some HE2. What's Rocket Mortgage is a good swing trade too for me. Hawaiian Electric, it's another one I'm gonna do. OPI got buy limits in. Granite Point Mortgage was getting beat up. Dynex Capital is another nice one to have. Pays out a monthly dividend. 50. I'm gonna get it at that low. See what it was. Add 5 shares a week. Like I told you, I'm getting my monthly payers in order. The market gonna pull back, but I don't think you're gonna see no, unless he really. I don't know. They say he might do a interest rate hike. They said it's a chance of that happening too. So, man, I don't know what's gonna happen. But I know I got some cash put up to make it on through it, so I'm not worried about it. I hope y'all do the same thing to get y'all selves in that situation. I need to look at pets. I ever didn't know whether they still pay a dividend or not. They been getting beat up for the longest, man. How we doing right now on land? Land at 1231, 52-week low. Put a whole share in for that one. This one also been getting beat up. 52-week high is $17.48, so this definitely a buy. And it pays a monthly dividend. There we go, Charge Point. Ticker CHPT is getting beat down bad, man. 121. Going to get my couple shares. 1.21. Get me 3 shares a day. I would do $5 a day. I can, but I'm just stretch it out. Cause I know it's gonna be a long-term hold. SBSW look like it's pulling on back. This is a stock. This is gonna be a long-term hold. This really is a trade, man. This ain't no investment. SBSW. So you got 3 million trading back volume. It does pay a dividend. 5.9%. Market value of 3.54. I remember back when this market value was like 70 to 80 billion dollars. But this stock buys precious metals. So y'all that want, instead of owning gold and silver, you can invest in this mining company. GoRo, I'm at $98. I'm sure it's going to bail its way out. If it pull back, I get more into it. I wouldn't buy GoRo if I was y'all. I would not invest in it. Medifast, I think this got a bright future. Once it has 1 quarter good earnings. So that's why I'm buying this for now. I'm going to be a buy and hold stock for a while. If y'all want to get into the future swing trade of it, RYLD, when I gave y'all, pays like 16 cent a share a month dividend. I got 20 at $16 and at $16.11. It didn't trigger today at $16.11 like I thought it was, but it got a 15-week low at $15.85. Let me put a buy order in at that one. It seems like it's pulling back. Going in at $15.85. I want 20 shares. Actually, I think it's going to touch that and bounce back up. Let me get 25. I spent $400 on that. That's going to give me a monthly dividend anyway. As you can see, I just went in at $15.85. I do $15.85 and I do $16.12 if I was y'all. Mine's at $16.11, but do $16.12 on RYLD. I put in $16.12 and $15.85. $16.12, $16 and $15.85. That's where I would go in at. Well, that's where I'm going in at. I'm gonna let Nike pull back some more. That's also gonna be a buy at a long-term hold. Carver State Bank, I put a buy order. This is another nice swing trade for the future. Interest rates get cut. This gonna pop back up. My buy order is at 150. Cancel that. I need to get more at 150. I like that 150, but I forgot it did just dip on down. It did go down to like 120 something. So let me keep that the same. Michael's dollar cost average on in from there on down. 150. I wanted to get some shares today, so I'm gonna up it to 2. It's $15 worth. Get 10. It's a buy and hold. I can sell these over the $2 mark. It did get back up to like 175, 180 in the last week. I didn't sell it because I wanted to go over, but I might sell some at 175, 180. Just to rinse and repeat. To lower my average cost, I'm at $2.18 on Carver State Bank. Where else we going at? Let's see where the deal's at. Goals, SLVO. That was on the rise. That was like around the $80 mark. I like SLVO around the $70 mark. So I'm going to just collect the monthly dividends, not messing with none of the credit suites. Let's monitor UAN, see where that is. Under my buy range. I wanted a little lower, but I can do something there. This pays a nice dividend. 52-week low is at 60.50. PE ratio 4.6, showing you it's undervalued. The Yield Max ETF. I haven't been buying any. Well, I've been buying some in my Webull portfolio, share every day of AMDY and all of them. Walmart looking good. NFLY is down 1672. My monthly payers, I've been buying them, just piece it together in this portfolio here. I think my Webull, I'm going to let it chill. I'm going to just buy 5 shares of each one. Probably depends on which ones I like. 5 shares a week at a weekly low instead of buying it every day because it keep coming on down. That's what I say for now, but you know I'm an aggressive investor. That probably won't last. That's why I like this portfolio here, because I can buy fractional shares. The Webull I can too, but I do it in my Robinhood so I don't lose my shorts. The dollar cost average down with it. Let's see, FSK is another one, which I'm up now. What else down today? OARK is pulling back also. I like these prices. Right now, like I say, in this portfolio, I'm cleaning this portfolio up. Let's look at AGNC. Like I said, I need to come down, bring down my average cost. I'm at $12.49. I got $8.92 at 10. But luckily in this portfolio, I don't have a lot. I only got 153 shares. I need to get more aggressive than this. It seems like it wants to go. Cancel that order. I'm going to put a buy order in. Come on, man. What you doing now? We ain't got time for all that. I am going to put a buy order in at 902. Not 920. 0.02. I'm putting 24 hours because this trade 24 hours on Robinhood. And I want to go in at 20 shares. This pays 12 cents a month. And I'll leave the $8.92 at 2 just in case it dips more. Got a dividend coming of $44 on this one. ORC, I'm going to do one at $8.12. This for y'all that like this company. Pays a 12-cent dividend a month also. That's why I say I'm going to stick with just one. I think I'm going to roll with AGNC at the end of the day. I just need to lower my average cost in these companies. Clean my portfolio up. How many shares of this I got? 398. So I got a long way to go on this one. And ARR, I got to look into that one. I can come back later and do that one. It's not that serious. Misty, MSTY, paid $4 last month. I'm now up 32.32. But I'm buying a share, adding shares on my Webull portfolio, buying full shares of that. That went to 30.29. So I will put a buy order in on that one. And that's all I'm about to do today, y'all. GGYM, go get your money. We about to get this money through this market. I'm excited. I am going to be buying Tesla. Growth stocks, I'm buying Tesla, AMD, Apple. You need to get these while these things are down. Buy them and hold them. Just hold on to them. Like I say, ChargePoint going to be another one. I'm holding for the long haul, but I am investing in monthly dividends to help pair with the growth stocks while the growth stocks are down. Say if one dividend yield pays 16% and the growth stock pays 0. If you do 16 plus 0, that equals 16 divided by 2. It's a dividend yield of 8, which you'll have 8% dividend yield between those two stocks. That's the mind frame and strategy I use when I trade growth stocks. That's why I'm not mad at ChargePoint being down, because I pair that with a Yield Max an ETF that's paying like 50% annual yield. So it's really like getting 25% on both when you combine it on an averagely basis. So that's how I look at stuff and move forward. So that's how I'm able to buy those growth stocks and my account don't suffer. All right, man, go get your money.